Guess who's back? Back again. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back?
Damn it!
Oh my god, are you okay?
Here we go.
It's been 84 years.
Kids, huh? It's ringing.
Don't you think that's a little extreme? You can't put somebody out of business just because you're jealous. I'm not jealous. What does he have that I don't have? Aside from the fangirls, and the pretty hair, and those gorgeous green eyes. Don't forget my sweet ass. Yeah, and a sweet ass, but other than that, he's got nothing.
What's going on with Harry's broomstick?
It's Snape! He's jinxing the broom! Cute.
You may be wondering why the red suit. Well, that's so bad guys can't see me bleed. This guy's got the right idea. He wore the brown pants.
Daddy needs to express some rage.
Motherfucker!
Damn right, can I do it again? I am like such a the enemy. No matter how many cats I break, where would I break these enemies?
You little bastard! I'll kill you!
And now you're going to die.
What the?
My nigga.
Yo!
Look at Randy Orton slithering.
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Oh my God!
Hey, out of nowhere!
Just look on the bright side. How could this get stupider than it already is?
Hey, you kids want to be on fire?
You're going to love this. Trust me. What you're seeing now is my normal state. This is a Super Saiyan. And this...
One of them is in the booth with me right now, folks. He is leveling one of those glove devices at me now, and I believe he is about to electrocute me. I am currently wetting my pants.
Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you.
Stranger danger!
The only thing you can't steal was came out to play. Stay out my way, motherfucker.
I'm touching myself tonight.
X gon' give it to ya. He gon' give it to ya. X gon' give it to ya. He gon' give it to ya.
You are haunting
You look like an avocado had sex with an older avocado. Thank you.
I just wanna say goodbye. It's a beautiful day, and I can't stop myself from smiling.
Vegeta, what does the scouter say about his power level? It's over 9,000! What, 9,000? There's no way that can be right!
I get it. You gave the man porn!
Two-Face, you're back.
What are you talking?
Give up the boy. Nothing fair ever came out of the barrel of a gun.
Is this because you can only see one half of my face when I'm talking to him?
Harvey, where did you go? Two-Face is back and he looks super pissed.
Yeah. Because I'm Harvey Dent.
Nice try, Two-Face, but your tricks won't work on me. I'm the world's greatest detective.
He knows what happened to me, right?
Harvey, now you're...
Shut the fuck!
Alright, now lose it. Just lose